sanction.
The NPP Umsning bloc yesterday organized a special program at Sokendur village to formally welcome Dr. Celestine Lyngdoh, MLA of Umsning, into the NPP family. Speaking at the gathering, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong expressed his appreciation for Dr. Lyngdoh's decision to join the NPP without any preconditions or demands, reflecting his commitment to the party's principles. Tensong expressed optimism about the party's growth in the Umsning constituency and its prospects in Mahati constituency.
Dr. Bom na ito ibigin mo ng hantay sa state level. Haka office sa party at hospital. Dengan kuah banong siwa begin notify ya i. Ba kini leaders rat ba jogi. Kiba i yuan lang batong kibong patwan mo. Nangfang kibong hol kibong patwan. Naso banong yung president Joko Blok. Ha MNC akomodir lang merki. Sedang no berbut je ni. Late City Unit, Poli Dr. Bom, nantai kini leaders, sedang banyak hal. Kejingat prelang, hadu ke unit level, hadu kisnong di hal. Tidak tak ada